Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to do the screencasting for you guys' assignments. A lot of the stuff that you're going to turn into me, I'm going to ask for some screencasts. And I'll give you directions when I'm assigning it. But the way that you're going to do it is on your desktop, you guys already have the link, Screencast-o-matic, it should be version 2. Just go ahead and click on it. Okay, you're going to choose the launch free recorder. And then you're going to get an option here. Now you can choose if you want to only record, say, a certain size. We can choose to size it for what we want. I can size it down. I can just choose full screen. Most of the time you guys are going to do full screen. You have a max of 15 minutes. We can do if you have a webcam hooked up. So on your home computer, if you have a webcam, you can select where you're doing webcam or you're doing both screens, but you have to have a camera installed. Narration, you want to make sure that this is showing up. So if this is showing up as a red X, it means you don't have a mic plugged in. So I have, if your mics are not working, I have a number of these. They're in my closet. You can just plug them in. You are looking for the actual mic cable, so you're going to plug it in there. And if it doesn't give you an option, see, now it's bringing it up. So we can choose for our default microphone, or we can choose the Realtek. Now you can test it out by talking into it and seeing that it's moving the green bars as you're talking to make sure that your narration is going good. Okay, and then all we have to do is basically just start recording. You do have a few preferences of what you want to do. Most of it's just hotkeys. Okay, so the easiest thing is we're just going to go ahead and hit record. Now you don't have any editing features on this, so you need to make sure that your take of what you're going to do is going to be good and you're ready and prepared for what you're going to present. You don't want to be just mumbling. You only have 15 minutes. And YouTube, most videos are only going to be 15 minutes unless you do some stuff to verify your accounts. Okay, so you're going to click record your stuff, blah, 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 blah. We finish it, we click the pause button to stop it. If we don't like it, we can delete right here. If we want to add more to it, we can click right here. So we can pause it, get our bearings, go ahead and click record again, wait for the countdown, and do another segment. And then we can pause it again, and we could choose if we're done, or again, if we wanted to delete everything and start over. Once we're done, we hit done. It's going to show our recording. We have options of what we want to save it as. You guys are only saving as YouTube. You guys can drag the left and right for how much of the recording you want, and you can double check it by hitting play. Okay. That is available on the free feature. You can add music, which is available, but it's only going to give you a couple tracks. Closed captioning, I wouldn't worry about that because on YouTube you can have it automatically picking for closed captioning. So once you're done, you're going to go in there. You have to open and add a YouTube account. So it's going to bring the pop-up, and you're going to sign in with your Google account. Okay, so there's me. I'm allowing Screencast-o-matic to use my YouTube. I click allow. Then it's going to bring me back to my Screencast-o-matic. Said that I gave authorization. You can click done. And then here you have your account, which again you could click to change. You can change the title, so this would be a meaningful title for what you're uploading. So it could be screencast for Madlib, screencast for HTML text structure, screencast for milestone 1 walkthrough. Okay, whatever it is, you're giving that title. You can put tags, so if other people wanted to find it on YouTube, you can give a description. Adjust your privacy. You could put it as public or unlisted. You can give a category. Your cursor you can have if you wanted it to be highlighted or not. I usually just leave that as I want you guys to see where my mouse is. And if you were doing captions, you could have it where you're actually uploading a file instead of just doing automatic. Okay, so then once you do that, you click publish. So let me just do, I'm going to call this one screencast record test. Okay, and now it shows my title. I can go ahead and hit publish. It's showing that it's encoding. Because you guys are using the free version, you won't be able to have it work in the background. It's usually pretty quick. Okay, 15 minutes shouldn't take too long. You can then copy the link, and then you could paste it, and you can, in your assignment, you can send it to me. You can go into Google Classroom. So you could choose your stuff that way. Most of the time, though, it's going to be part of your assignment, so you're going to actually give me the link. You could also open up your upload, go to your YouTube page, and actually look at it and see it as I'm talking about it. Now notice that that bar did not show up there. It's not going to. You will have on the bottom left, you're going to have the watermark for Screencast-o-matic. That's fine. We're not going to worry about that. It's going to have our name, publish date, and if you forgot to copy that link, you could always go here and you could copy it like this. Okay, and then you would send it to me. So as part of your assignments, when I tell you I need you to screencast, that's what you got to do. Okay? All right, thanks.